Hi YouTube. I just wanted to show you a new thing that I have for projects. Soldering iron. I got this off of Amazon, and this cleaning sponge can go, I think, up to 450 degrees. There's a display here with that's the set temperature, and this is the current temperature. Just has an on and off switch. You can set the set temperature, and yeah, it comes with a cleaning sponge that grew quite a bit. Used to be a little tiny thing, but so that goes in there. And so if I take some solder, it instantly melts it. Also, it's if I go like, I wish I had the helping hands. I'm gonna get some soon, but I can easily, once the wire heats up, get pretty nice tinned wire. And this was the other side. I'll try it once more. And I think it's heated up. There. Oh. Yeah, so it's pretty tinned. And then afterwards, I should have left this out. I could clean off the soldering iron. Might get one of those dry, like, kind of steel woolish soldering iron. So over here, this is the wire, and because like this down here is wood, it's, if I move this piece, there's some marks, so don't solder on wood because it could burn. So that I also have a fire extinguisher, but that I have now. But yeah, so I have this. It's kind of, I think it's a countertop piece off a countertop, and also this is the box it came in. So it's that. Well, this is the box that came inside the Amazon box. I'm guessing this is an extra heating element. There's just a whole bunch of wires on there, and this thing. I think that's if the heating element breaks, but I'm not entirely sure on that. And it also came with these extra tips. It has a small one, a medium-sized one, and a larger one. Or no. It has a small one, and a large one, and a flat one, and another flat one. So I guess for cutting plastic. And they're kind of encased in like this weird white stuff. But yeah. So that's the new soldering iron I got. And yeah, bye.